the latest from Jeremy Camp, who, by the way, will be spending time with you on Wednesday afternoon here at 3 o'clock. And he'll take over the show. I hope you'll be here.
Getting to know you, getting to know the getting to like you like me.
On the uplifting drive home here as you head into the weekend, what are you looking forward to most?
I'm going to be cleaning out a flower bed that's already sprouting. I have tulips up and crocus up.
Are you sure you're not down south somewhere?
In Anoka, and it's on the south side of the house.
That makes all the difference in the world. Put a lawn chair out there, too, on a non-windy day and catch some rays.
You bet. I am so excited because today I went to the ultrasound for my first grandchild, and tonight I get to find out if it's a boy or a girl.
Do you want to know?
I do want to know tonight when they have the big reveal.
Yeah, see, I wouldn't want to know. I'm kind of old-fashioned that way. And if you do know, I think you just keep it between you and your spouse.
Well, it's funny because I didn't want to know with any of my own kids, but then when my son and his wife wanted to know, then I want to know.
If it's somebody else's kid, then you want to know. Now, if it's your own grandchild, of course. And now you know how to buy for the baby shower.
Exactly, and spoil the rotten.
Thanks for listening to My Dad on 98.5 KTIS. Cool!
Twin Cities traffic.
Well, if you want to know the best way to get home, how about a roundabout past Highway 10? There's an accident there on the right shoulder. That right shoulder is blocked. Again, at Highway 10 right, facing westbound at 35W. That's been a problem here for about the last hour or so. Headed to 35E now northbound to County Road E. There's a stall on the right shoulder. No accident, just a stall. Taking a couple minutes worth of your time this afternoon. And 494 eastbound, if you're on that stretch, no sweat. After Highway 100 starts clearing out just before 10, you're only looking at about another 2 minutes or so. That's Twin Cities traffic on 98.5 KTIS. Have a great weekend.
Imagine how far God can carry the impact of just one song. Hi, I'm Dave St. John, station manager for 98.5 KTIS.